Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video with the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition 5G for AT&T Prepaid. So the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition is now here at AT&T Prepaid for $499.99 in a cloud navy color. It is currently not in stock at this time as I'm recording this video here. This phone is new to AT&T Prepaid, but this phone is 3 years old in general. So the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition is on its last legs in terms of updates and stuff. So keep that in mind when you guys are getting this phone. So very nice looking phone. If you guys like the Galaxy S20 series, this is the phone for you. This is the Fan Edition of that. Like I said, it's new to AT&T Prepaid, but this phone is 3 years old now. So keep that in mind. You guys are getting 128 gigabytes of storage here, so not bad. There's the phone right there. If you guys know what the Galaxy S20 looks like, it's basically the same phone. Basically, you guys got your earpiece, hole punch for your front facing camera there, power button and volume keys on the right side of the phone. And I think this has in-display fingerprint sensor as well. So yeah, so there's the front there. Left side, I can't tell if it has anything on the left side or not. Either your SIM card is either on the top of the phone, bottom of the phone, or the left side of the phone. Left side has nothing. So your SIM card is either on the top or bottom of the phone. So yeah. There's the back of the phone. Your triple camera setup, camera flash, Samsung logo. Yeah, it's basically a Galaxy S20. That's basically what it is. The Galaxy S20. Right side power button and volume keys on the right side there, and there's the right side of it again there. So very nice looking phone. So this is an certified pre-owned device from AT&T. So pretty interesting there. It says the powerful Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition 5G is loaded with premium features. Get the shot in one take with the triple rear camera and see amazing details with space zoom. Enjoy your favorite entertainment on the vivid 6.5-inch Infinity O display with 120Hz refresh rate. Stay productive longer with the long-lasting and super fast charging 4500 mAh battery. So this is a certified refurbished device from AT&T. So do keep it in mind when you guys are getting this phone. I thought this phone was brand new, but it's not. So this is a certified pre-owned device from AT&T. You do get a warranty with this phone, so don't worry about that. It says that AT&T backs its certified pre-owned devices with its standard 14-day return period, as well as a limited 90-day warranty on devices and accessories. So that is good to know there. So not bad there. Yeah. Here are like some videos and images of the phone there. Y'all guys know what the phone looks like. You guys know what the specs are, features are. Like I said, this phone is 3 years old. So yeah. So there's the left side there. Left side back, right side, and all that. Specs. It is an AT&T certified pre-owned device. So do keep it in mind when you guys are getting this one. 6.5-inch Full HD plus dynamic AMOLED 2x Infinity O display. Triple rear camera with space zoom. 32 megapixel front-facing camera. Dimensions on the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition: 6.29 inches height, 2.93 inches width, and 0.33 inches depth. The Galaxy S20 The Galaxy S20 Fan Edition weighs 6.67 ounces. Display 6.5 inches, Full HD plus dynamic AMOLED 2x Infinity OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, 2400 by 1080 pixels, 16 million colors. Cameras, you get 3 of them on the rear. 12 megapixel wide angle with f1.8 aperture, 12 megapixel ultra wide with the f2.2 aperture. Then you get an 8 megapixel telephoto camera with an f2.4 aperture. Video playback 8K at 24 frames per second. Video playback 8K at 24 frames per second. 32 megapixel front-facing camera with the f2.2 aperture. Unique camera features include AR emoji, AR zoom, Bixby vision, food, hyperlapse, live focus, video, night panorama, slow motion, super slow-mo. Battery 4500 milliamp. The battery is not removable. 32 hours of talk time, 12.5 days of standby time. Audio playback via speaker, 51 hours. Audio playback via headset, 81 hours. It has wireless charging. It has fast charging. Time to charge to 50% is 40 minutes. Time to charge to 100% is 90 minutes. It has a Snapdragon 865 processor octa-core, so that was the 2020 chipset. So this was a flagship phone from 2020. It had flagship specs on it, but it was a bit cheaper than the Galaxy S20 series, so hence the Fan Edition name. So not bad. It still holds up today, obviously in 2023. The phone is 3 years old now, so it's on its last legs in terms of updates and stuff, so keep that in mind as well. You get 128 gigabytes of internal storage, 1 terabyte of micro SD card expansion, 6 gigabytes of RAM. It has Android 10 on board, so it probably has Android 10 pre-installed on the phone. You can probably, I think you can update to Android 12, I believe, maybe Android 13, I think. So when you guys get this phone, you guys will have a lot of updates. So it will come with Android 10. So keep that in mind. It has 5G, of course. It has 4G LTE as well. Wolfone, quad band, HD voice, Wi-Fi calling, AT&T video call, Wi-Fi connectivity, 8 to 11 ABGN, ACAX, dual band Wi-Fi, NFC. So you can use Samsung Wallet and all that good stuff. I think that's what it's called now, Samsung Wallet now. I feel like Samsung, I think it's called Samsung Wallet now, because it used to be called Samsung Pay. Bluetooth 5.0, mobile hotspot up to 10 devices, noise suppression, wireless emergency alerts. It takes a nano SIM card, sensors, accelerometer, ambient light, barometer, fingerprint, which is you'll have a in-display fingerprint sensor, gyroscope, proximity, hail sensors, and I think you have facial recognition as well on this phone. I think you do. Text messaging, email, stuff like that. Music has Google Play Music or YouTube Music or whatnot. So it'll probably have Google Play Music, but you'll have to update it to YouTube Music. So keep that in mind. Accessibility there, your hearing aid settings there, sustainability, product codes and whatnot. What comes with the device is your USB-C cable, SIM card, SIM tool, and I think that's it. I don't think you get a charging brick in the box, so I don't expect much in the box either. So yeah. So yeah, there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition 5G. It's not here at AT&T Prepaid for $499.99. This is a certified pre-owned device from AT&T, so do keep it in mind. It has it's still a good phone in 2023. Keep in mind though that this phone is 3 years old and it's on its last legs. It's on its last legs in terms of updates. I think you can get Android 13 on here. I think you can. I'm pretty sure that you can. I think you can get Android 13 on there. So yeah, you'll have to update that when you guys get the phone, because it comes with Android 10 when you guys get the phone. So you guys will have a lot of updates to install. So keep it in mind. So yeah, if you guys are looking to get like a cheaper, older Galaxy phone from Samsung, the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition is worth checking out here for $500 at AT&T Prepaid. So yeah, not bad there. Like I said, it's 3 years old, so keep that in mind. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.